Okay, so lecture number 12 and the important one. We need to construct a DFA and FA or FA such that the set of all strings belongs to A, B, that every A should be followed by B. Okay, now we'll write down the language first. What is the shortest one? Every A should followed by B. So then I can have so many things. Okay, now see, this is not the only thing. If I have single B, then what will happen? Now if there is no A, then the condition is not mentioned. The only condition means if A comes, it should be followed by B. If there is no A, then it should accept that string. So it will accept B, 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 or any number of B's or epsilon also, because there is no A, so that should also be accepted. Okay, this is very important. Most of the times you will find the wrong answer. You will draw for AB only. Okay, single B is also fit in that string, because there is no A, so it should accept single B also, epsilon also. Okay, so first draw the basic structure. It is A and it is B. Okay, so it should accept it. So this one, let's say P Q R. Okay, it should accept epsilon also, so initial state will be final. It should accept any number of B's, so any number of B's. Okay, now come to Q. How you will reach to Q? You will reach to Q by taking A. Now you required A, correct? So see, if I want to give this A, so see, after A actually I required B, but if I am giving this A, so it will be AA. Okay, and I don't want such string. So after A, if I got A, that should not be accepted. So I'll say this A will go to trap state. Why this A will go to trap state? Because after A, see, every A should followed by B. So after this A, I required B only. So if I want to give A of this, and if I after this A I got this A, so it should not reach to final state. That's why it is going to trap state. Now come to R. Now how you will reach to R? By taking after A and B, means every A is followed by B. Okay, so the B of this will not matter or matters. Let's say you will reach R by taking AB. Okay, so now I required A. Now if I required this A, so after that A, what I required, so I can reach to the final state. After this A, I required B only, then I can reach to the final state, because every A should followed by B. And from where I have B? I have B from Q. So A will come here. Okay, now let's talk about B. So AB, I reached to R by taking AB. Now I required B. Okay, so see, for B I don't have any what condition, because if I give this B, so after A, B is there. If B is there, there is no condition. Okay, so then B will be self, correct? So after A there is B, that is the only condition. That's why I say here. So this is the automata. Thank you.